Hi guys, it's Legionero back with another plan with me. So this is an experiment. I'm not sure how this is gonna go. This is a happy planner. This is a vertical happy planner, and I made some stickers for it, and I want to see if they work. So they're sewing themed stickers, so I'm gonna use this as a sewing planner to kind of help me get my sojo back. I'm planning for the week of April 25th through May 1st, and I just want to lay down these stickers that I made just to, one, make sure they work, and two, see if I can actually put down some plans for sewing once I have all the stickers down. I'm also going to be using some of the stickers I showed you in the sticker haul that I did. These stickers from Thanks Sis Digital Store, these little sewing machines. So I'm going to use those somewhere in this spread, but let's get started. I won't do too much rambling. So like I said, this is an experiment. Not really sure how this is going to go, what it's going to look like, but we will see. All right, so I'm just going to lay down some washi here at the top to cover up these dates. And it's already Cricut, and I don't think I use my removable paper, but that's okay. I'll make it work. That is very Cricut. We already starting off bad, but that's okay. Let me see if I can find my... I'm not really good at using this thing here. I always cut through the paper, but let's see. There we go. Right. That is so Cricut. Maybe I'll do better on the other side. Right. So I made some date covers. When I made these, I didn't realize that the Happy Planner had the numbers across the top like that. So right when I opened this is when I realized that's where the numbers were. So we'll see how that goes. Right, so let's try to do a little bit better on this side with laying down this washi, because my original plan was to put the washi down here. And then when I saw these numbers, I went, uh-oh. All right, so let's see if I can do this. A little bit better. I may need to take these pages out. That's a little bit better. Alright. Alright, so we got the washi down. so I can lay these date covers down. I also need to see how well I did the lining up of the date covers, how well they line up on the box. I feel like I did pretty good. I probably could bring Wednesday over a little bit. I mean, it's not a big deal. I think it looks fine. Okay. They're pretty good for eyeballing it. All right, so let's see what else I can put down. I got my numbers here. I'll put those on later. Here we go. I was looking for my boxes. All right, so I think I'm going to, I kind of want to cover up this April, but it's not too April, May, but it's not that bad. I think I'll just leave it for now. So I'll see how well I did these boxes. The Happy Planner boxes measure 1.5 by 2.5. So looks like I did pretty good. Again, I had no plan on, how I would do this. This is just something I'm experimenting on, just to see if the stickers fit that I made. That's pretty much what this is. Happy Planner was really my first planner that I got when I first started planning, and I never really got the gist of decorating a Happy Planner, but everything takes practice, right? So the more I practice, the better I'll get. And as I'm laying down stickers, I'm kind of, ideas are kind of floating through my head on different things that I could do and add to make this better. Like, I think like some type of box here at the bottom, I think would be cute. More decorative stickers like this could work. So but I love experimenting. I think that's what it's all about. Now these checklists, I made these a while ago, so I really didn't measure. As you can see, they are really short. But as I was getting ready to do this, I went ahead and pulled these out, because I knew that they were sewing related, so I pulled them out just to use them. I have other boxes. I'm just trying to figure out where to put these. These boxes are a little too, well, I won't say they're too big. I will say I had to calibrate my Cricut machine so it didn't cut as well with these box stickers. So they look like they're too big, but after I calibrated my machine, it's cutting right now, so. I know I say this every time, but my chair is making so much noise. I pulled out the wrong stickers. I need to find my stickers that cut correctly. Because I had some stickers that did. I had some print and cut stickers that didn't cut correctly. So I hope I find them because I want to put that down. But I also don't want to hold you all with me rambling and looking for stickers. Oh well. I can show you the stickers. I just can't put them down. It's these stickers right here. But these didn't cut correctly. The cut on these is off. And I didn't know why. But now I think I figured out why. I think I put it on my mat wrong. I think I put it on my mat upside down. Because see how it cut? Oh, but I want to place her in my planner in these boxes. But anywho, all right, let's see what else we got. I'm really liking these little cute boxes. The ones with like the sewing theme background. I think they're super cute. All right, got a little Cricut machine here. Trying to see which color fits best. Let's see. So I know this isn't the best, but that's okay. At least I know what needs to be tweaked and what doesn't need to be tweaked. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna start out with this. Now I know that what I need to do with my stickers, like for instance these, I would probably add like maybe 2 more machines down there, and so it'll fill up the whole box. These boxes, again, my Cricut machine was off with the cut. These boxes are perfect, except for my laying down of the box. But other than that, I think we got us some winners. I need to make these in different colors instead of just black. But other than that, I need to find my stickers that printed correctly so I can lay down the little girl. It's disappointing that I can't find her right now. I wanted to show y'all how she looked in the planner. Oh, wait, I think I found her. I found her. All right, so and it's funny because she matches the colors that are in my decorative box down to the sewing machine. So glad I found her. All right. So there's that. I don't want to add anything else because I don't want it to start to look too bad. I think it's okay. I think I did okay. And I got a couple of ideas of things that I want to do. So, all right. So thank you guys for coming along with me on this experiment. And hopefully next time I do this, I'll do it a little bit better, right? I don't particularly like this washi tape up here like this, but I wanted to cover up the numbers. I wanted it down here, but we'll roll with it. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video, and I'll see you in the next one.